grips one thing. Put him down before he grips one thing. Put him down before he grips one thing. Put him down. Just put him down before he grips the one thing. Put him down before he grips the one thing. Put him down before he grips the one thing. Put him down. Wanna see his halo, but it ain't true. Deep inside, you know it's not right. You should let him go before he hurts you now, before he bites you now.